Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. This week we just dropped a great video comparing the new generation TC FermZilla versus the previous generation. Vito, tell them what we went over.
Yeah, so we went over all the differences, you know, the new features, what is the same, what accessories work on both features, price point. We went over what one we would choose if we were buying one today. Check it out. You know, it goes without saying, you're gonna make great beer in both of these. You know, you get a conical fermenter that you could drop out, pressurizable as well. You could serve, carbonate everything out of this. For the price point, I mean, you can't go wrong with either of these units. It's just a great upgrade if you're in like a FermMonstra or a bucket or, you know, glass carboy, things like that. This is, you know, a great upgrade to get you into that conical world.
At a price point on either one of these, that is unbelievable.
Yeah. All right, let's go back up to the studio to check out the kit of the week.
This week's kit of the week is the classic German Hefeweizen.
Yeah, so it's a classic German Hef. It's the original hazy. Just kidding. It's a wheat beer, so it's, you know, it's hazy in appearance. But what really makes it, you know, stand alone and taste great is the yeast. So you know, clove, banana, those flavors and aromas that you get from it. Just delicious beer that you could drink a ton of. Clove and banana is the word I'm looking for. The yeast.
Banana. And to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the weekly giveaway. All right, it's a special week. In addition to the kit of the week, we are going to give away 2 of the previous generation FermZillas. So to win, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter that weekly giveaway. Also, don't forget, we're giving away the new generation FermZilla. To win that, go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday and enter the monthly giveaway.